Good morning to A to B. How are you all today? Fine? Good. Me, Miss Samiha is also fine. But Miss Samiha miss my kids. Do you miss Miss Samiha? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can hear something. Yes. Wow, bravo. It means you miss me. Good. Okay, students, come back to our paint program. Let us make a butterfly using shapes and a pencil tool. But first we are going to make with using shape tool. Do you know how to make a butterfly using shapes? Do you know how to make a butterfly anyhow? Yes. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? We can see, what shapes can we see in this picture? We can see an oval, circle, line tool, heart, and a text tool as well. Yes or no? Yes. Now, quick recap. What is this tool? Pencil tool. What is this tool? Fill with color. Text tool, eraser, brushes. Then we have a lot of shapes. Then size, to make the size big and small of pencil, eraser, brush. Then we have colors, and this is our drawing area. Now, let's start making this butterfly. Now, what is this? What is the body? What is the shape of this body? Who can tell me what is the shape of this body? This is an oval shape. Let's click on shapes and let's click oval. I'll make, I'll click again on shapes, oval shape. What's wrong? My shapes and my oval. I'm clicking the wrong window. I'm sorry. Shapes. Now let's make an oval. It's like an egg. Do not click outside the window. Still we have a box around. We can move it anywhere we want. Next, we made the outline of the body. Next we need two more ovals. So I'm going to click again on this oval. Now, one and two. Yes. So now we have two eyes, two more eggs. So total we have three eggs now on our drawing area. Yes or no? Yes. Now I'm going to choose an eraser. In eraser to erase this line from between, from both inside eggs. Okay, then let's hold on. Okay, now we are going to make these two small balls inside using again shapes, and with this oval shape we are going to make two small balls. What are these? It's eyes. Yes. Okay, so our body outline and our eyes are ready. Now we are going to make its mouth. So what shape is this? This is again an oval shape. Click on oval again. Okay. Okay, now we are going to make the lines on the body using what shape? Line tool. So, one, two, make as many lines you want. It doesn't mean that you have to make exactly the lines we have on this butterfly. It's okay. Keep on drawing using line tools, huh? So, we are done. Don't forget to join the ends. please, otherwise it will not color properly. Now we are going to make these wings. What shape is this? Heart. Go to shapes, click on this heart. Press the mouse button, drag your mouse, and there comes a heart. Do not click outside the box till we have a dotted box because we are going to rotate it. So we'll go here, we'll rotate 90-degree right and bring it and join it. Yes, then we are done with one wing. Let's make the other wing. Again, click on shapes, heart again. Okay, so am I going to click outside the box? No, because I'm going to flip towards the left. Again, rotate left and join with the body. Now we have the body, we have its eyes, mouth and its wings. But we are going to draw some more circles inside its wings. So what shape is this? Circle. So again this shape and make 3 balls on both wings. Done? Is that clear till here, children? Okay, now we are going to draw its fillers. Using what shape? Line tool again. So 1, 2. Bravo! So we are done with our drawing. We are going to color it. Now look at these colors. Look, let's start from it. What are we going to color with? What tool am I going to use? Yes, we are going to click on this fill with color tool. What color you want, select that color first. So I'm going to color its eyes first. It's black. It's black. See, it's black. Next, mouth. What color is mouth? Can I make black? It doesn't look good. Red. Okay, let's color its body. Let's click on yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Orange, light orange. Uh-oh, what did I do? Because I clicked on the line. Now, these circles also we can color it orange. It's up to you boys and girls. You can color any color you want. You can fill with any colors, but I like these colors. Next, yellow. So our butterfly is ready using shapes. Wait, hold on. This is a butterfly. We have to write that. So how am I going to write? Click on this A tool. Press the mouse button, drag it. It will make a box. Then you will write in it. This is a butterfly. If you want to change the size, select the text first. Go here. Make it big. Change the color. I need it in orange. Done? Can you make it now? Come on, all of you. Log it into your Paint program. Start making it. Come on. After you are done, wait on, hold on. I'm not done yet. Students, I did not save it. I want to save it. File, click on Save As. Always click on the desktop. Write your name and save it. Come on now. Get back to your Paint programs. Start making your butterfly and send me back. Come on. Thank you.